Yo, so I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation, you understand, where they are ex-gang in the place. We just want to say, give thanks for World Dawg, you understand, where they are film location, the famous Cashapp shed, you understand?
Which is right.
Everything in here, AC, fan, light, paint up, everything in here.
Light.
You see me? Electricity. You see me? It's a Cashapp living good.
Good. Two couch.
Two couch.
Living good.
You understand? As I say, AC. You don't want to sleep on the shed, you know? Everything in here. You see me? But yo, as I say again, brother, we give thanks, you know what I mean? For make sure we say, yo, the thing are up. You understand? The interview up, everything up.
You're my father.
But me, I say certain things in the segment before that one, yeah, where I say, you know, about lava and chat and laugh, and you know what I mean, you help up the thing, and then it's like them want to outshine the master, brother. You understand? As I say, lava never outshine the master, you see me?
Straight.
So tell me now, what go on with G? Cause when time watch chat and laugh, more time watch chat and laugh, and you are the reason I'm watch chat and laugh, because one time you go up on it, it send a notification to yo, World Dawg is live with such and such, you see me?
Yeah.
So what really go on with G?
First, I make you see me all this because me have an anger problem.
Yeah.
And my hands sweaty. So when I think a lot, I sweat a lot. But
yeah.
It's like, you see what you just say?
Yeah.
When you go up on chat and laugh, when me fall upon chat and laugh, you watch it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what 60% of chat and laugh is saying.
Word.
I'm not going to say 70 because I'm not a biased person.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, want to reason with you with this now.
Yeah. Talk to me, man.
What me I tell about this? Coming on body about bad man. I want to reason with you upon a level with this now. Because enough people don't know reason from bad mind.
Yeah.
Lava get a little carried away. When are you making a house? The strongest part of the house is the foundation. You cannot disrespect foundation.
Yeah. Yeah.
You cannot underestimate foundation.
True. Hold on. Make bring down the mic a little bit there in your face, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Balance.
You can't underestimate foundation.
True.
You understand
you have to respect it.
You have to respect it. You see me? You cannot. Why you think when Sting did a play Cartel, Millions to Clash Bounty, him never did a do it? Bounty is foundation, and you have to respect foundation. Not because you're bigger than a person or you're younger than a person. Foundation is foundation.
True. Facts. Facts. So you said the G get a little head of himself.
Get a head of himself. And I see he disrespect me several times. But why the main reason I cut him off and show him say him above himself and they go on over himself now. And one time a dog round me call him. And he said he really bad mind him.
Wow. Wow.
Negus.
You are all people.
It's like me and Negus in a foreign.
Wow.
Have a BMW. Have a Range Rover. Then we decide if we take a trip to Jamaica. When we take a trip to Jamaica and we see one of our little dog them down there with a Range Rover now. I'm not gonna jump on top of the Range Rover, start video it and say, yeah, yeah. Because in America we have Range Rover. We used to Range Rover.
We're not frightened.
But we're gonna call it as a dog and say, yo, congratulations.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. When people want you really give them highlight from media, them not about the real, about the friendship. Friendship is not about media. I can rate you and you can rate me, and I don't talk for you. Talk to you for 6 months.
Of course.
But when I see you, it's like we see each other every day because the reason where we start put on to each other.
Yeah.
And we start give each other the knowledge because we have things to share.
Yeah, yeah. Prime example, me and you. I don't forward to Florida. Like, you know, probably about 2 times out of a year.
Me not call a phone.
Yeah.
Out of year, me probably call a phone 2 times. You probably call for me 2 times.
Yeah.
But we not enemy.
Yeah.
We not friend. We are dog.
Yeah, and that means over pre each other.
But we not making media know.
Facts.
The media never know say me are so close like this. Enough comedian boy not close to me like this.
Yeah.
But the media now gonna say, yo, Negus and Era No close, no can hear you no go on him platform every day and say Negus.
Yeah, yeah.
So people gonna look like
and Negus not pre that because Negus know what is right and what is wrong.
Okay. And Negus know say I any idea you can say Era why pray off the media.
Yeah.
Okay. What me I try to say? Little thing vibe start from see like a dog show some little shades.
Word.
You see me? Lava is not a star. He don't have a work that prove. He don't have memory. Come on, bro.
Jaja.
He got mixed up.
Yeah.
He don't have a video can show our people show a family array. You got at with Rose them and me them. I make chatter lab me and done.
So basically, the people, so basically what you said to me now, right now, World Dog, is that him getting ahead of himself because him is not the star. You bring on the stars. You put the star them on your platform, which in the end help your platform. So now the G, as some people that say, I smell himself.
Okay. Tropics. That's a Tropics. Negus, you have your phone.
Yeah.
So, and you are the one. You the owner for the bank.
Yeah.
And every morning you're the owner, you set so relax. And they call you, the cashier call you and say, boss, where to put the $50 and where to put the $100 or where to put the $20?
Yeah.
You are the boss.
Yeah.
You set something so other people can live off of, right?
Yes.
We're not both off fight, but let's talk facts. If a dog not have nothing and just do one regular thing and then you give him a platform, you give him a car, you give him a bike, you give him a boat,
yeah,
things start elevate for him. Don't throw water on that person, dog. Don't bring down that person, bro.
So what the dog say? Can I say him this year multiple times? Him style some look shade, right?
Some look shade.
So what was the tipping point when they got boom now and say, you know what? Fuck this. I'm not take no more disrespect for you because you know why? And me are the reason why. Me are one of the reason why your platform doing spike there. What happened? What was the tipping point right now?
Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
9:30 I was sleeping.
Yeah.
Dan called me and tell me to jog on the live. I went on the live.
Yeah. And who Pretty Dan?
The Monday. No, it was a Thursday morning.
Okay.
Because he went and chat and laughed the Wednesday and Nicki Minaj went on the live.
Oh, Nicki Minaj?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yes. So when Nicki Minaj went on the live, they had me in the morning.
Yeah.
As I was saying to you about the Range Rover.
Yeah.
I have a Range Rover. So why should I get excited about the next man Range Rover?
Word.
Nicki Minaj follow you. Usain Bolt follow me, the fastest man in the world.
Yeah.
But I don't get up every day and said, Usain Bolt follow me.
Facts.
Usain Bolt second record, but nobody didn't break it.
Facts.
Usain Bolt follow me.
You know what? This is another blood clot reason why I'm rating the dog, you know, because you know why? As we as Jamaican, we respect American celebrity more than we respect with Jamaican celebrity.
Yo! Mayo, come on, Takisha shit, you. Yo, come on, Takisha shit, dog. Come on, Takisha shit.
You understand? We as Jamaican, we respect some American celebrity more than we respect our own celebrity them.
Bro, get on the shit, dog.
My Jamaican celebrity them, them are number one to me.
Them are number one to me, dog.
Straight.
My country are number one to me.
Straight.
Everywhere me go.
Straight.
My country that. Let me tell you, I say me come from Cuba, Jamaica, my country.
Straight up. Straight
people,
up.
brother, them man, they give people other strength. Brother, when the man get up the man and get a blue ticket, the man talk to Vibes Cartel and Nicki Minaj, you know. Mr. Lava keep chat and laugh down here anniversary and the man go up on stage and bring up some of the enemy them in your youth. And I give me and dad no respect in that.
Oh, the blood clot, yeah, said to me.
But all the things go on, I'm not even talking about, man.
Oh, yeah, said to me already.
One night, me up on the live again, dog, and me go say Shani whore. And the G set some man they call Shani, but Shani never answer. And call Lava again. And Lava tell the man on the phone, say, here, this Shani. And I joke you all the way around. All the way around joke. But me go say Shani the war. But me they wrong for that because she did feel away. But me say, alright, then me wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
But it was all a joke. But you clot, I'm a clot. But my clot was utter.
Yeah.
But in my mind, I think all what it was a joke.
It was all jokes.
It was all a joke. You shoot, I'm a shoot back.
Yeah, one
we
catch.
shot connect.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I don't give a fuck about that.
Yeah.
I swear to God, bro. I don't. What me care about is people get under people's skin. Lava wasn't that Lava.
Word.
Lava was a... I mean, I be real now because me done with him, dog. I know I'm done with him, bad man. Me not get to the point there. Just, I was say, we're forward, just when you're forward. When me just set you on me forward. Remember me if you talk things then because me smoke a lot.
Yeah.
Remember me if you talk things then.
Yes.
Dog. Bro, Lava used to get 100 views. 20 views. And me, I beat Dovey Magnum and Lava shout me and say, Hero, save the Tory, please. And me end me life, dog. 5,000 people I got to 6. And I end that live, bro.
Yo, well, before you even continue, there was a period of blood clot time when them man go live, you know. And it's when them man go live, or some $8,000.
They mix up.
You see me? Yo, on the early morning, no cap, nigga.
They tell them mix up.
No cap, nigga. In the early morning, when we get up and sit, in the morning, oh, you have 8,000 blood clot people on alive in the early morning. What the fuck? Oh, I must say, yo, that nigga are different.
They tell me I chat Tory. Rapid people have to ask them Tory them really. They don't know where I get them from. Me, brother.
Yo,
dog, people are asking them a Tory are real.
Yeah.
But yo, I said, dog, I saw me used to have a place, me Jenna.
Yeah.
But me low off of them thing, the dog. But what really put the icing on the cake?
Yeah.
Say you're a king of power.
Yeah.
You're a king of family, though. You trust king. Can I see you come down all the while you support
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You're a king of power. And a dog come to you and say, King bad mind you.
Word.
Me, I go run with that person.
What do you mean?
Because King don't show me that side of him.
Exactly.
And me and King apart. Don't come tell me nothing about my friend. So on the live now in the early morning with the live and somebody turn to Lava and say, Hero bad mind you. And the man go ahead and pint it out. As me and your friend now, Lava, where you call early morning time and call and say, Hero, what me fi do pan chat and laugh today? What you think me fi do? You follow on pan the show, come give me a hype. You should say to that comment, say, fuck your chat.
Facts. Because me know you. Me know my
Lava
nigga.
should I say a fuck your chat, dog. Nobody come with them thing there. But when the man go ahead and pint out the comment and say, achoo, see the comment the Hero. The people that must say achoo, I see the rate there.
So the fact that him believe the outsider, it shows that him actually there prayer from a longer time.
You believe somebody outside if you don't have that belief in yourself already.
Bumba. Facts. So, make you understand your frustration as somebody who did it from the startup days.
Go.
Because I just said, the dog come to you and say, your Hero, save the thing for me.
Save it. One per time.
And you put on the blood clot Superman suit and fly out. And lift up it blood clot and stay to wish by the man.
Numerous time I left my head back careless just to go up and chat and laugh show.
Bumba.
Negus, talk it you. You ever see me a party and see me less than 5, dog?
Nah, brother. And this is anytime I come and fly that, I always see the money at party. Always.
I not see me less than 5, dog.
Facts. The last party me see the dog them in parking, I never even know say they you, brother. Because I couldn't even see the dog. The dog surrounded fully. And when me I forward back in the parking lot now, I see a bum buckle real dog.
Yeah.
Because I walk past soon, you know.
Yeah.
I never soon because I said the dog fully surrounded. And I go to man, I come back at the parking lot and I come in at the party and I say, yo, bum buckle real dog. I'm so far, brother. I go for something in the car. I'm see the dog and heal the dog. I real talk.